As we get ready for the new year and the resolutions that go with it, let's get a jump. We have the ABCs to talk yourself into a healthy 2022. For that, I talked with Christopher Mamrol from Pennsylvania's Patient Safety Authority.
Hi, Chris. Good to talk with you. During the pandemic, so many people have neglected their regular health checks, and now is a really good time, wouldn't you say, to take care of that?
Yeah, I mean, it's a new year, get a fresh start, get out and start getting to those appointments and catching back up on your health screenings.
For sure, we can catch up. We can catch up pretty fast. So we're going to go through what you call your ABCs of good health for 2022. And A is for action.
That's right. So we've sat around for almost 2 years at this point. So now's the time to take action. Sitting around and saying, well, no news is good news, all of those things is not where you want to be. You want to get up, get to those appointments, even if you need to take a baby step at first, just something to get that motivation, to get the ball rolling really helps as far as getting out, getting the proper screenings and tests that we all need to get done every year.
Very good. Let's go on for B, buddy.
Yeah, really, the way to keep on top of your health is to have some type of accountability, and external accountability helps. So I really recommend using the buddy system. The buddy system has a lot of benefits. One, you have somebody there with you to maybe catch information that you might miss when it's being explained. You have somebody that if you get good news, you can go out and celebrate afterwards. And the chance that it is bad news, you have somebody there to kind of comfort you and be a support system. So having a buddy go to these appointments and be available is a great way to keep yourself accountable.
Very good. Great idea. C, you say is for conquer, but conquer what?
Conquer your fear. So over the last 2 years, we've all been isolated a lot. Some of us have that lingering fear. We might still be scared to go out and get back to our normal routines, and that's perfectly normal. That's okay. But you want to, like I said, take a baby step, get started to conquer that fear. If you do feel like you don't want to go out, take advantage of a lot of the technology that we've seen advance during the pandemic, as far as telemedicine and being able to do virtual appointments and different things like that. Because really, you want to find any way to get over that and actually get involved in your care again, whether that's developing a mantra, a word or phrase, if adventure, excelsior, if you want to come up with some form of self-motivation to kind of comfort that fear and get to those appointments.
It's interesting because when you talk about the new year, you usually talk about like starting a new diet or starting a new exercise program, but this is just getting back to the basics. Just get checkups, just take care of yourself. Any parting words for the viewers?
No, just it's important. We want to get back on track. We saw record lows in the rate of flu last year because we're all in isolation. We saw a low amount of cancer diagnoses, but we're expecting that to rebound. So it's important to get out, get those tests done and recognize these issues as soon as possible so you can hook up treatment and get the ball rolling there.
Well, thanks, Chris. Thanks so much for the encouragement.
Great. Thank you.